for over 100 years. The Tampa Museum of Art has always been responding to the community's interest, and we look forward now to the next 100 years.
Since the start of the Centennial Renovation and Expansion project, we have opened a fully functioning education center and expanded our galleries within the existing building. The 50,000 square foot expansion plan includes new sculpture areas, indoor-outdoor dining, a multi-use auditorium, digital art experiences, a rooftop terrace offering culinary arts classes, and some amazing event spaces. As we continue with the Centennial campaign, it's been so exciting to see the progress. One of the major milestones was the opening of the Vinnick Family Education Center.
The arts and arts education are just so important for adults and for kids.
We have to give our youth the opportunity to be educated, to be able to realize their God-given potential.
The Tampa Museum of Art doesn't just talk about lifting up students, they do it every day. It's the arts that helps this community thrive and grow.
Why a museum? A museum is culture, it's our past, and it's our future.
The expansion is a very important arm of creating stability for being able to have a vibrant art museum.
Not only will it be appealing to look at, it'll be a landmark facility for this whole part of the state.
When anyone walks through the door, there'll be something that can resonate with them, that they can see themselves. And so expanding the museum means expanding the doors for all of our community members.
This is perfect for Tampa right now. We couldn't be blessed with a greater facility, greater opportunity to get children to light up and say, what a neat idea. I'm delighted. This is exciting. That's the purpose of this. It will change the dynamics of the city.
The next chapter with the expansion, we hope that the community looks to the museum and sees it as a beacon of inspiration, and will continue to invest in the museum as a place for all artists and all people to thrive.